Hi, today we're going to work on two-point perspective, letter block W. So, alright. So first, I want you to understand the logic of the W. Let's create the W here. To create W, you need about 5 columns. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So you create the bottom, right, the top, and then parallel to this line, parallel to that line, and then you connect that, connect it to that, connect it to here and here. So exactly in the center it will meet. Right? This one is a little bit off, right? So if you connect all these, and there is W. So center in this column, and center in this column, and center in this column. Okay? So we're going to apply this logic to the two-point perspective. Okay. All right. Let's draw the horizon line. And again, horizon line, eye level, and we'll create vanishing point 1, vanishing point 2. Remember, this vanishing point can be changed on horizon line any place. So let's start with the corner, and then this corner needs to be connected to bottom, to the vanishing point 1, and top of the corner, and vanishing point 2. Okay, now we're going to put the line source here as usual, and we're going to create a W here. Remember, we need to create 5 columns first. So I'm just going to naturally use the thickness of this this wideness and create a line here. And we're going to create the columns proportionally, narrowing down as it goes to the vanishing point 2. So we need to find the middle point first. Right? And then create that line with this. Okay. And then this line crosses here, and then this will be the next column. Same thing. You need to create the midpoint. See, you always meet it in here, center, and then you use that line from the corner, and then draw it down, and then that will be the next column. It goes up, and then repeat that process until you have all 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then connect this. And that will be the last one. So it's going to be really dramatic W. Okay? Alright. So now you establish this. So all you have to do is start creating the midpoint. And there we go. And this will be the bottom. And connect and see the centerpiece. And then you connect that. And this will be the top. And the last column. Do you see the center? And then there we go. You have a W. So difference between this W and the one that I showed, I made this one really wider, right, to make it more dramatic. See that this was narrow, and this one is much narrower, so it became really dramatic, disappearing W it becomes. So you have all the W. Next thing you need to do is create how much the block you want to go. So let's say this time let's narrow it a little bit more, and then this part will go to vanishing point here, and then you start connecting the rest of the vanishing point. And since this is the last part, I don't really need to go all the way, so I can always stop there and the bottom. And don't forget the top parts. There's a corner here. It's open until it is blocked by this. And there's another corner. You connect, but it's blocked by this column, so you don't have to go anymore. And this is the parts that you just connect here to here. See that? And then this part, right? Okay, like that. So I'm gonna just making it darker at the bottom part. Right, then it's all done. So I'm gonna erase all these lines in the next video, and we'll go for the shading. Okay, all right, see you next video.